Welcome to the video. Today, we're diving into a topic that's becoming a concern for a lot of people: porn addiction. With internet access at our fingertips, more people than ever have constant access to adult content. For some, it's a casual habit, but for others, it starts taking over their time, energy, and even personal relationships. Let's break down what porn addiction is, how it affects the brain, and ways to get help. In simple terms, porn addiction is when someone feels unable to stop watching porn, even if they want to. It can start to take over, getting in the way of work, relationships, and daily life. For example, in 2023, the popular site Pornhub reported over 100 million daily visits, showing just how easy it is to access porn anytime, anywhere. So, why is this a problem? The answer is in the way heavy porn use affects the brain. There's still debate among scientists and health experts about whether watching too much porn is truly an addiction, like drugs or alcohol. In 2018, the World Health Organization did label compulsive sexual behavior as a mental health disorder, but they didn't specifically call out porn. However, they noted that when sexual activities become the main focus of someone's life, they may start ignoring their health, personal responsibilities, and relationships. When people who struggle with problematic porn use view sexual images, parts of their brain light up, similar to how it lights up for people addicted to drugs or alcohol. But not everyone agrees. Some studies suggest that watching porn might not involve the same brain areas as traditional addiction, and other researchers argue we still don't know enough to label it a true addiction. Signs of porn addiction. Experts have identified some common signs of porn addiction. These signs may help someone decide if they need support. It's a central part of your life. You start ignoring activities you used to enjoy. Neglecting personal care. You may let your health and hygiene slip. Dropping social activities. You lose interest in socializing. Relationships suffer. Porn takes time and energy that could go toward a partner. Neglecting responsibilities. Work or school performance may drop. Inappropriate viewing. Watching porn in places like school or work. Changes in sex life. You may feel less satisfied with real-life intimacy. Unable to stop. You want to quit but can't. 6 months or longer. The behavior has been going on for 6 months or more. If these signs sound familiar, it could mean it's time to look at how porn is affecting your life. There's no single cause of porn addiction, but here are a few factors that could contribute to it. Brain chemical imbalance. High levels of chemicals like serotonin and norepinephrine, which affect mood, are linked to compulsive sexual behavior. Changes in brain pathways. Watching a lot of porn can rewire your brain, meaning you need more porn to feel the same excitement over time. Certain brain conditions, some illnesses, like epilepsy or dementia, and certain medications that increase dopamine, can impact sexual behavior. Family history. If family members struggled with addiction or mental health issues, it could increase the likelihood. Easy access and privacy. The internet makes porn accessible, and being able to watch it in private makes it easier to develop a habit. Treatment options for porn addiction. If you or someone you know is struggling, there are different treatment options that can help. Therapy. Therapy is one of the main ways to address compulsive porn use. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. This helps people identify triggers and learn strategies to control their behavior. Acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, focuses on accepting your urges without acting on them and making choices aligned with personal values. Psychodynamic therapy *. This approach focuses on understanding unconscious thoughts and learning more about what drives certain behaviors. Medication. In some cases, medications can help by reducing obsessive thoughts. Antidepressants. These can help with symptoms of depression, anxiety, or OCD. Naltrexone, a medication that reduces pleasure from addictive behaviors. Mood stabilizers, used for conditions like bipolar disorder. These may help reduce compulsive urges. Antiandrogens, these lower male hormone levels, which may reduce sexual urges. Support groups. Support groups like Sex Addicts Anonymous provide a safe space to talk about struggles, share experiences, and find support. Complications of ignoring porn addiction. If untreated, porn addiction can lead to several serious issues: feelings of guilt, shame, and low self-esteem. Mental health issues like depression, anxiety, and even suicidal thoughts. Relationship issues, as it can lead to less intimacy or even mistrust between partners. Job loss or poor work performance, especially if watching porn interferes with responsibilities. Financial problems from spending money on porn subscriptions or related services. Job loss or poor work performance, especially if watching porn interferes with responsibilities. Financial problems from spending money on porn subscriptions or related services. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Educate yourself. Learn about addiction so you can better understand what they're going through. 2. Open a conversation. Gently share your concerns without judgment. Let them know you're there to support them. 3. Encourage support. Remind them it's okay to get help and encourage them to seek resources. 4. Find resources together. Offer to help them look for therapists or support groups. 5. Take care of yourself. Supporting someone with an addiction can be challenging, so be sure to take care of your own mental health. 2. Talking to kids about porn. Studies show that many teens see porn online before they're even in high school. Experts suggest having an honest, age-appropriate conversation about internet safety and the difference between real relationships and what they might see in porn. Set boundaries for internet use and explain that watching porn can create unrealistic ideas about sex and relationships. Whether porn addiction is officially considered an addiction or not, it's clear that compulsive viewing can interfere with daily life, relationships, and personal well-being. If you or someone you know is struggling with this issue, therapy, medications, and support groups are available and can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on mental health and well-being.